In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from a shared link in Dropbox, including some tweaks if you want the file to download immediately rather than open in your browser. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the standard way to download files from a shared Dropbox link. Usually, when someone shares a file with you, they'll send you a link. It might look like a string of letters and numbers following something like Dropbox.com. Your first step here is straightforward. Just click the link you've received. This action will take you to the Dropbox web interface, where you can see the file that's been shared with you. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the download button. It's usually at the top right corner of the screen. A quick click on this download button is all it takes, and the file will begin its journey to your device. It typically heads to your computer's default Downloads folder unless you've set your browser to save downloads elsewhere. There's something to note if the shared link is for a whole folder instead of just a single file. In that case, Dropbox will bundle the folder into a zip archive, which is a single file format that contains multiple files, and download that. Now, if you're the one sharing the file and want to streamline the download process for the recipient, there's a quick trick you can use to alter the link. This tweak is handy if you'd prefer that the download happens instantly without navigating through the web interface. So, here's what you do. Look at the URL of the shared link. You'll typically see the characters DL and 0 at the end of the link or as part of its parameters. This part of the URL controls whether the link opens as a preview or not. To switch it from viewing mode to direct download, simply change DL-0 to DL-1. For example, if your shared link looks like this, dropbox.com/A1B2C3D4 example.pdf DL10, you would modify it to dropbox.com/S/A1B2C3D4 example.pdf DL1. This simple change makes the file download automatically, a seamless way to skip the preview step and get the file straight to your computer. If your link has additional parameters, such as var key XYZ and DL0, just focus on replacing that DL0 with DL1 to ensure it triggers the download immediately. And there you have it. Whether you're downloading for yourself or setting up a link for someone else, these steps should help you navigate Dropbox shared links with ease. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore more of our content for other handy tech tips and tricks.